Hey guys, welcome to another video. I did most of my cleaning offline, so as you can see, I'm about to start decorating. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, and the theme is pink, white, and gold. You know, gold is one of my favorites. Okay guys, stay tuned for the reveal. I'm gonna continue working behind the scene and I will return with the reveal. Hey guys, this is the reveal. Okay, this is the reveal. This is what I came up with. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. Home Goods. The gold one, that's from Pier 1 many years ago. The pink pillow, that one is from the gallery. The gold and white, that's a pillow cover, that's from Home Goods. The pink one, which I think you guys know, it's a repurpose. That one is from Inspire Me Home Decor. That. Vase, the lamps, those are from Home Goods. The flowers on the wall, those are from Inspire Me Home Decor. Okay, and the picture that I put together, those are from Burlington. Yeah. The vase is from Inspire Me Home Decor. I think it's Kerry's line. And the florals are from Amazon. Right here again, the vase, the jar, that's from Inspire Me Home Decor. And it's also Kerry's line. The glasses, Inspire Me Home Decor. Vase right there. And the 3 candle stand, those are from Macy's. The gold and white bowl, that is from the gallery. Alright, I hope you guys like it. I think I love it. I think I love it. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment, please. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you. And for the new ones, thank you. This is the reveal of my pink, gold, and white. Yeah, that's it.